Want to automate your trades but can't decide between Zerodha Streak, Tradetron, and Upstox? I'll break down which one's best for you. Zerodha Streak is perfect if you're just starting out. You don't need to code. Just build strategies with a simple drag and drop interface. It works directly with Zerodha Kite, so it's super smooth. However, it's mainly for technical strategies and short-term trades, so long-term or complex logic, not its strong suit. Tradetron is much more powerful. You can automate trades across multiple brokers, not just Zerodha. It supports complex conditions, option strategies, and even multi-leg trades. But here's the catch. The interface can feel overwhelming at first and there's a learning curve. Upstox has its own strategy tools but isn't as beginner-friendly as Streak or as advanced as Tradetron. It's great for fast execution and charting, but for full strategy automation, you might need to connect third-party tools like Algo or Tradetron. So beginners, go for Zerodha Streak. Power users, try Tradetron. Casual traders, Upstox is fine. Thank you for watching How to Literally, where we keep things smart, simple, and scam-free. See you in the next one.